In this video, you will see how to observe your sample on the widefield microscope, known as TELEMOS, of the DISCO Beamline, and how to prepare the microscope for a fluorescence image acquisition. The TELEMOS microscope is located on your right when you enter the imaging room. Center the microscope stage using the joystick on the right side of the microscope. Before mounting your sample, if you will use the 40x or the 100x objective, you must place a drop of glycerine on the microscope objective. Use the tool attached to the bottle cap. Use the coarse focus adjustment knob located on the right side of the microscope to adjust the height of the objective. Turn clockwise towards the back of the microscope to raise the objective, and turn counterclockwise, so towards the front of the microscope, to lower the objective. Make sure that the objective is below the stage. Load the sample onto the stage and adjust the stage to hold the sample without blocking it. Move the objective upwards using the coarse focus knob until the glycerine droplet starts to spread onto the cover slip. Continue to adjust the objective using the fine focus knob. If needed, secure the position of the sample by adjusting its position on the stage and using stage clips. Open the Micromanager software which controls the acquisition for the microscope. Select the current configuration on the first window by clicking the OK button and wait until the configuration is fully loaded. Ensure that the DM Filter M Shutter group is set to the DM300 No Filter Viz preset on the main Micromanager window. Set the exposure time to 100 milliseconds in image settings. Start the live visualization by pressing the Live button on the main Micromanager window. Use the fine focus knob to adjust the focus of the sample on the screen. Once the focus is set, stop the live using the Stop button and switch off the computer screen. Switch off the microscope controller by pressing on the screen Display and then Display Off. Switch off the imaging room light and lock the door. Go to the main DISCO room and use the control monitor to prepare and start your data acquisition.